right, so you might know the logos for popular brands, but can you identify their mascots? As a matter of fact, do you know their names? Well, leave it to our producer to tickle our brains at 7:30 this morning. I have a feeling that Simone knows.
I never looked at it because...
I did.
I did.
Because I didn't know any of them.
So then don't tell me.
All right, so let's look at the first one. Do you know the names of the three elves pictured on boxes of Rice Krispies?
Yes.
I know that one.
One is Snap.
Yeah.
One is Crackle.
And the next
and
one?
one is Pop.
Well, you got that right.
Snap, Crackle, Pop, Rice Krispies. It was a commercial.
Didn't know that.
Okay.
Here you go. Number 2. What is the name of the cheetah who appears on bags of Cheetos?
Tony the Tiger is...
No, it's not Tony the Tiger.
Tony the Tiger is Frosted Flakes.
It's not
Wait,
Tony
man.
the Tiger.
So this guy is...
Cheetah.
Cheetah? What's his name?
No, it is a cheetah.
Oh, what's his name?
Chester.
Chester
it's
Cheetah.
Chester the cheetah.
Chester Cheetah. Chester Cheetah.
Well, then you can skip the next one because she get it already.
Oh.
This Frosted
They're
Flakes.
great!
Tony the Tiger. Clive, you didn't know that? Chef, you didn't know these things?
Sheffield was eating yam at about Nut Gallimore.
Yep.
What's this guy name?
Who is the fish pictured on star-kissed tuna?
I don't remember his name.
Well,
Charlie Tuna.
no,
Is it Charlie?
It is Charlie.
Ah!
This guy annoy me because you have cheetah and you have Chester, C and C. You have tiger and you have Tony, T and T. So why tuna is Charlie? Why is not Toonly?
That's really one for the ages, eh?
Yeah.
All right, we'll mold that.
The next one. So you get them all? No, you didn't know. You didn't know.
I didn't remember Chester.
Who is the fish? No, I'm going to tell you that. Who is the bee that appears on boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios or Cheerios? He was named by 11-year-old Christine Tong in a 2000 contest.
I don't remember.
His name is Buzz.
I was going to say
but
Buzz
you didn't
the
know.
bee.
But you didn't know. You didn't.
These things are subconsciously planted into my mind, you know.
You did not, man.
I was going to say it though.
But
Can
you
I
didn't.
get the point?
No, because you didn't. There was an actual chef Boyardee upon whom the mascot is based. What was his full name?
After me, I know.
His name is Chef Hector Boyardee. And he ran a restaurant called Il Giardino Italia, known for its delicious pasta dishes.
What was the restaurant called?
Il Giardino
Italia. You got to say it with Italian.
Okay. Well, I am not Italian.
Neither am I.
Okay. What is the name of the mascot for Froot Loops cereal?
Hawk.
What?
Parrot. Wait now.
You know, said something already.
Yes, I said hawk, but that's
Well, you're wrong.
I said just said it was wrong.
Okay. What's the next one? What's the answer?
Toucans.
You never get that either.
Yes.
Many will recognize the face of this brand, Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Colonel
But do you know
Sanders.
his first name?
Who needs to?
Eh?
I mean, why would we care?
But do you know his first name?
I don't need to know his first name. William?
No.
Herbert?
It starts with H.
Harry?
Second letter A. Third letter R. Fourth letter L. Fifth letter A.
Harland?
Sixth letter Harland. His name is Colonel Harland Sanders.
Oh.
Even though we say Colonel Sanders, but I think it's more Sanders.
Yeah.
Colonel Sanders.
His first name don't really matter.
Harland. Hold on, so let me add up
this. I finish?
Yes. So you got Krispies right. You got Cheetos.
I got Buzz.
No, you got wrong. Frosted Flakes right. Starkish right. Buzz Bee wrong. Chef Boyardee wrong. Toucan Sam wrong. And Kentucky. Well, you kind of.
Nobody says Kentucky anymore now.
Is that KFC?
KFC. You have to give me Buzz.
Well, at my time, them say Kentucky. It's like when you say credit card. At my time, them say charge card. The man say,
Come with us. 2020.
Come with you? I will go anywhere with you. It's the first you asked me to come anywhere with you.
Stay with your charge card. Stay.
Oh, you see it yourself. Hello.
Charge card it is. Put it on my charge card.
You never hear a cool stuff right now.
No. No, and I'm glad I didn't.
News in 5.
Yes,
when
let's
we
do
come
that.
Back. Richard, stay on time. Let Coles stay by himself. Stay on time, Richard.